Panasonic's Cyclonic Wave Microwave uses a three-dimensional heating pattern and inverter power to cook food more evenly than traditional on-off style ovens. Its generous 1 6/10 cubic foot interior easily fits large dinner plates, casserole dishes, and family-size leftovers without feeling cramped. High wattage output combined with 10 adjustable power levels gives you very fine control whether you are gently softening butter or rapidly heating a dense frozen meal. The sleek stainless steel exterior resists fingerprints, and the flat glass touch panel with clear digital display looks modern while staying simple to wipe clean. Thoughtful extras like multi-stage cooking, an internal clock, and a child safety lock make it practical for busy households that rely on the microwave throughout the day. Because the inverter-style heating maintains steady power, delicate foods tend to retain more moisture, texture, and flavor compared with many older countertop models.